What is journalism? Can everyone learn journalism? What is communication? What are different types of communication? This doubt might arise for many. People think it's all about gathering information and disseminating it. No, it is about how creative are you in collecting the factual information and then editing the information with proper grammar for writing the content and then posting the same either in newspaper or in electronic media. Apart from collecting the information as reporting and then writing it as a content and then editing it and then publishing it. This was all about journalism in the traditional media. But today, with the digital era and then with social media platform arising, you have opportunity to be creative in reporting the news, be it factual or even activities, and then posting the same from your perspective to the audience has become very, very interesting these days. In Chennai's Visualite Academy, we teach you how to do reporting, how to write, that is content writing. We give you ample training to do the best and simple content writing, posting the same either in web pages, blogs, or even magazines, e-magazines, or even the traditional newspapers and magazines. Many people have a doubt, what is journalism? Today the perspective of journalism has changed. With everybody having a mobile and the access to good high-end cameras, one can start gathering information and then disseminating the same information as infotainment is also part of journalism. Who can do journalism? Anybody who has a sound interest and knowledge for writing, for gathering news, yes, even taking photographs, can join this course. You should have completed a minimum of 12th standard. 10th would do if you are sound in your grammar, either English or your regional language. Many people have a doubt. What would I do after learning this course? You can be a news reporter, editor, you can be a special correspondent, you can be a feature writer, you can be a desktop publisher. To say more, today with opportunities in YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, you can even be a good content writer. Apart from that, being a cartoonist, being a graphic designer, being a blogger, or say even writing for a blog, and many other opportunities are there. You can be a creative photographer, or you can even do photojournalism. You can even add on to travel journalism, take up pictures and then create your own web page. The opportunities are ample. How to go about it with your perspective differs. We train you in Chennai's Visualite Academy. We give you every area in which you can explore and you can make the best use of. So journalism and communication is just not related to print media, but also to television broadcasting, radio journalism, and much more beyond this. We train you how to become an RJ, how to become a VJ. We train you in voice modulation. We train you in dubbing if required. We also teach you how to do television production, how to do the pre-production, how to do the post-production, how to shoot a short film, and much more in the field of journalism and communication. We have diploma in journalism and communication for 6 months and also for a year's program. In Chennai's Visualite Academy, we show you different areas where you can explore. You're given hands-on training and you're exposed to every area that you will be trained for. Who can become a journalist? Anybody who has a love for writing, who has a love for reporting, who has the enthusiasm and zeal in him to achieve something for the society, to come up with a creative writing, to become a columnist, to become a copywriter, to become an editor, and anything which can be done in this area of writing can be learnt here. Chennai's Visualite Academy gives hands-on training to their students. We bring people from the field to give them an exposure. We take them to the industry to show them how news production or even how a news agency works. We also ask them to write the content and we post them in our websites and YouTube channels. If you have a vision for learning journalism and to become a good communicator, join Visualite Academy to get a hands-on training from the experts from the field and from the faculties.